Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use professional dashboard on Instagram. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Here you can see I'm already logged into my account. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see 3-line icon. Tap on that. Now at the top, you can see search icon. You can simply search account. And now you can see various options will be presented. Now all you need to do is tap on account types and tools. Now there at the first you can see the option switch to professional account. You have to tap on that. Now simply tap on continue. Now this kind of page will pop up where you need to choose the category that best describes you. At the top, you can also see the option of displaying on your profile. If you want to display it on your profile, then simply toggle up the button. Now after choosing the category, you can simply tap on done. Now here you need to choose either you are a creator or a business. After you are done choosing, simply tap on next. Now here you can either continue or tap on not now. For this video, I will tap on not now. Now here you can see list of options. Complete your profile, get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, showcase your brand, explore tools and insights. You can either complete this step or simply tap on the cross button at the top right. And now you can see that a professional dashboard will be appearing at your profile. Now for the further process, you can simply tap on that. And here you can see various options. Overall, professional dashboard is a centralized hub for analyzing your performance and utilizing Instagram feature to enhance your presence and engagement. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.